You're gonna disrespect me because I speak a different language than you? Is that what it is?
It has nothing to
Yeah,
do with
it
your
does.
language.
I was talking to
You
my
can
family.
leave. I don't want to hear it.
I was talking
I'm
to
done
my
with it.
family.
You can leave.
Really?
Or I will call the cops.